Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is
Shruti, and this is Jojo.
I forgot my name.
This-
Very random. We are
I know why you forgot your name.
why
Because you're super happy because it's Hassan Rahim time. That's why.
you know what will
Yes.
happen next.
What?
Oh, Jojo's crushing on someone. Comments will
But
happen.
everyone knows that you especially, and we both love Hassan Rahim. वो सबको पता है. So it's
Yes.
okay.
But I'm not
Huh.
forgetting my name because of it. Just clarifying. Little blanky happened. You know what happened actually? I was looking at the recording button and I was
Huh.
checking record ho raha hai because even I have, we have recorded videos without pressing the record button. So
पूरे मतलब full reaction done, very happy. अरे वाह क्या reaction दिया है, बड़े मजे आए आज के. Oh wait, record तो किया ही नहीं. It has happened. एक session
बहुत
में 2
दुख
बार हुआ
होता
था, I
है.
remember.
Yes. It's like, yeah. So I was just
इतनी
checking,
मेहनत.
is the on air button the light on? So I
Good.
forgot my name. Okay,
Yeah.
moving on. Let's go to Hassan
Yes.
Rahim. It's Sada featuring Abdullah Kasumbi. And we like this combination from before. Vocals, lyrics, and composition by Hassan. Guitars by Adnan Abbas. Recorded, produced, mixed, and mastered by Abdullah. So cool. Lovely. Oh, directed,
Ready.
shot, and edited also the video, just like Aise Kaise was, है ना?
Yeah, if Aise Kaise is anything to go by, this one is gonna be
Yes.
I shall look
let's
forward
do
to
it.
it. Chalo,
Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, play.
रात की बात थी, तू मेरे साथ थी, साथ ही साथ में कर गई वो बात तू, जिसका डर मुझको था पर मैं कुछ ना कह सका. अब उसे मैं ये बोला, नहीं चाहिए मुझको ये रोला, ये कहना था. हाँ ये दिल की बात ना करो, ये हमेशा टूटता. कैसे मैं ऐसे यूं इस जंग में फंसा, जो होना था हो गया, मैं फिर से फिसल गया. मैं तो सादा सा था, ये क्या है अब हो रहा. मैं तो सादा सा था, ये क्या है अब हो रहा. ये मैं तो खो रहा. शाबाश खाए भाई. 1 2 3 इंग्लिश पे आने का भी. Yeah, no hard feelings, I've changed my dealings. You can still call me up, go. This is not the end, we can make amends. Yeah, this is what we live for. I don't know what else to say to you, baby. Yeah, tell me if you have a better way. No, 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 no. कैसे मैं ऐसे यूं इस जंग में फंसा, जो होना था हो गया, मैं फिर से फिसल गया. मैं तो सादा सा था, ये क्या है अब हो रहा. मैं तो सादा सा था, ये क्या है अब हो रहा. मैं तो खो रहा. मैं तो सादा सा था.
I liked his shirt with all the
It was so,
adjectives.
it was so strange to see him all serious and like the song being all serious for a change with not even one funny element. We're so
Mm,
used to like, these really funny elements coming from Hassan that
mm,
it just, the previous song also, which had Abdullah Kasumbi, it was very funny.
mm,
So just to see like a serious song, it's actually nice. Like it's like breakup ki just pehle or breakup jab ho raha hai, but to put that in a very emotional angle, like कि
mm,
अंदर अंदर क्या feel हो रहा है,
mm,
rather than saying कि उसने ये कहा इसने ये कहा. You know how usually breakup song talk about what was spoken and what went wrong. Here
mm.
it was more emotional, that how I feel, and
Yeah.
I didn't want her to have that conversation, and yet the moment she started speaking, and this is how then I felt. So it
Yeah.
was nice. Good listen.
I wasn't entirely satisfied with it though, because it didn't like pull me in and it didn't hit me on like
Yeah.
intense level. Maybe because I wasn't feeling the lyrics much, but I feel like
Were you expecting that he would make you laugh, like how we're all
no,
used
no,
to
no.
him doing antics? No,
I
okay,
know.
okay.
No, I wasn't
Huh.
expecting that. I was expecting a different video, which it was. The video was different.
Hmm.
He was doing his very different thing per
Yeah,
usual. But I
yeah,
just feel like maybe this song would have sounded better with a different vibe, like with a different music arrangement. I felt like I couldn't get what he's saying like it's not hitting me strongly enough. The music
huh.
is overpowering
Yeah,
his voice and what he's emoting. So maybe
right.
if the arrangement wasn't so busy,
Yeah,
I may have felt the song more.
more. I did like that bit though. Where did it? There was that music instrument in the background, or maybe it was an electronic arrangement that was put. It was
Mm.
that the which was going on in the back. I kind of liked that in the start,
Mm,
but then
mm,
that kind of continued in the whole song, and
mm,
it was good to start with. But like you're
mm,
saying, that if they had just faded a lot more of the music out and just let his voice and very minimum instruments been there,
mm.
maybe the impact would have been a lot stronger. So yeah,
Yeah,
you're right.
simply because
Hmm.
he's singing in a very laid back manner,
Yeah,
and
his
there's
style
not
is that.
the vibe
Yeah,
of the song is also that. So
yeah.
which is why the layers in the music were kind of distracting me from it, and honestly
Yeah.
even the video was kind of distracting me because there were a lot of elements going on in it, in terms of what they were enacting, um,
Yeah.
which like I don't know, it didn't really work for me. But the second part where he started with the English, that's when I got a little more engaged with it. Um,
Acha.
in bits, and then towards the end
Hmm.
again, when I think the hook kept repeating.
Yeah.
Overall, not my favorite Hassan Rahim song, but
Huh.
definitely a different vibe from him, from what we're used to. So
Yeah.
will I add it to my Hassan Rahim playlist? Yes, just to have that sort of variation when I'm
Correct.
listening to the playlist. Um, but
But yeah, but I will not seek this song out specially. Like I know that
uh,
his previous songs, I know that in the past, after listening to it over here,
mm,
I've then later gone and seeked them out specially and then
mm,
heard them,
mm, mm.
This one, I don't know yet. If it
Because
happens, it will. As of right
yeah,
now, I don't think so. Yeah.
yeah, because the lines are actually very nice. It's
Yeah.
actually a very nicely written song, and
Correct.
when he said, "I'm looking at now that bit that pulled me in. No hard feelings. I've changed my dealings. You can still call me up though. This is not the end. We can make amends. This is what we live for. I don't know what else to say to you. Tell me if you have a better way." It's actually
Hmm.
it's
This
actually
is beautiful.
yeah, the what he,
Yeah.
that's why even the starting, and when he's talking about ye tab hua tha aur ye scene ye tha and all of that. Um,
Hmm.
I was like, okay, okay, कैसे मैं ऐसे ही
Yeah.
रंग में हूँ फंसा, जो होना था हो गया, मैं फिर से फिसल गया, मैं तो सादा सा था, ये क्या है अब हो रहा. So if he's like, he's kind of it's he's the breakup has happened, the misunderstandings have happened, but even though he wants to pull away, he can't. He keeps going back into it, and he keeps telling her we can still make amends, or she keeps saying
Yeah. It's kind of going on right
it's
now.
the
Yeah.
whole like,
Yeah.
are we're on, we're off, we're on, we're off scene, and it's relatable. It's relatable. A
Yeah.
lot of people will feel it. I just feel like a stripped down version of it would probably have grabbed me more. That's all.
Correct.
But
Correct.
yeah, chalo.
But nice. I'm
Uh,
glad we got to it.
Video was nice. Drone
Yeah.
shots are my thing now. I love them. They're nice.
Nice. Nice.
So good. I mean, we saw a different side of the city that we've seen in his other videos. A very
Yeah.
different side.
Yeah.
So ठीक है. On that note, tell us what other songs of his we should get to, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.